Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? My name is Denonu, and we're back playing some Megaton RainFall. Alright, let's see if we can jump back into it here and see if we can finish the last mission that we were playing. And hopefully we can save the city here, so let's see where we gotta go. Alright, wasn't we doing M3? Let's see, let's take a look around here. Okay, so we got his M4. Let me see, can I just check the options real quick. Can we get smooth turning? Is that a thing? No. What's smooth flying? Enable smooth flying. Sure, why not? See what that's all about. Camera shakes, blinders. No, I hate blinders. Yes, I'm not a wuss. I'm good. Thank you. Okay, what else do we got? Rotate head by looking. I'd rather use the stick or both, but gesture controls no, hints no. Okay, I guess we don't got smooth turning. Rotate by looking. Let's see, maybe it's under here. Free rotate smooth. Thank you. Let's see, maybe that might be it. Let's see. Oh, that's exactly what I want. Okay, cool. Alright, let's do this. Let's go save the world, YouTube. Yeah, this is a whole lot better now. Look how smooth this is. Ooh. Ooh, going so fast. Get up out of this water. See if we can go up in the orbit here. See if I remember how to do stuff. It's been about a week since I recorded the last video. So let me see. That's up. Yep, here we go. Get up in the orbit here. Distance going. About how fun this game was. Just flying around, just experiencing everything. Looks like we're going down. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, smooth flying is a whole lot better. Oh, what the hell? They're not real? Okay, maybe only this one's real. Oh, come on, y'all can't blame me for that. It fell into the building. What was I supposed to do? Yeah, smooth flying is definitely better. Liking that a lot. Alright, which one's the real one? I guess, fuck it, we're gonna have to take a chance. Yep, there we go. Sorry, it's my fault. It's probably gonna do the same thing. Alright, it looks like it was this one here, if I can. Yep. Okay, well at least he didn't fall into a building, so that's good. What else we got? Oh, that's that. Wait, did they run off? Dang. Let's go hunting. They're not gonna get away from me and my super luminal flight. That is an awesome name for super speed, just saying. Oh, looks like they broke up again. V formation. Alright, let's go get him. Oh, stop moving. Is he just gonna... Okay. Oh, they're just trying to get me to shoot the buildings. I do not want to do this. Alright. I'm trying not to... I just don't want to shoot, because then it'll mess up and destroy the buildings, because I know I'm not going to be able to hit them. There we go. Okay, got that one. If I can catch the other one when it comes up, we should be good. That way, if I shoot across the way, it's not gonna hit a building, so. I don't see it no more. Where'd it go? We get higher up, get a better view. There you go. Alright, that wasn't me. That wasn't me. Oh, there it goes. There we go. I'm trying not to just shoot indiscriminately because that destroys buildings. Oh, who's destroying buildings? That. Oh, is that a drill? Where's the... Okay, there we go. There we go. Alright, come back here. I gotta track it by sound when I can't, when I lose sight of it. There we go. Oh, where you at? Where you at? Oh wait, was he right there? I have a feeling they're like hiding on the side of buildings. Yep, there it goes. Yeah, because I couldn't see him at first. I was like, what the hell? Yep, that's what it is. They got cloaking systems that kind of... Oh, got him. That was... We're super lucky on that one. It's like I can hear him, but... Alright, this might be hard. This might be hard. Alright, let's try this again. Yeah, maybe I can do that and get lucky. Alright, so we got 2 of them right out the gate. That's a good thing. We got 4 more. Alright, we got him. Got him. I think that was another one. That one? Nope, you're a helicopter. Whoa! Almost knocked that building down. Alright, we got him, I think. Nope, we missed him. Damn it. The hell? Okay. Don't know what that's all about. It's like I can hear him, but I don't see him. There it goes, there it goes. Alright, where are you coming in at? You ain't getting away. Yeah, we might not make it past this mission. This one's kind of hard. Oh man, I love this game, man. They don't have to play like the nice music that they got playing, but like it helps. Definitely feel like I'm Superman flying around. See where you're going. I'm hoping they give me a checkpoint, because I don't think we're going to make it to this next city. As soon as they destroy the first building, that's probably going to be it. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, he was around here somewhere. The hell? You are a fake building. Seeing you move. Oh, so now we got fake buildings to deal with? Oh, at least they're easy to spot, I will say this. Oh, you're the only one not on a city block. Alright, yeah, this one's gonna be easy to deal with. Okay. The hell? Are you not dead? Oh. Yep. Alright, yep, yeah, please give me a checkpoint right there. There you go. Alright, next one. What we got? What we got? Can't believe they got enemies that look like buildings. Alright, come on, where you gonna be at? Alright, did I kill him? Okay. I think it's you. Yep. Get back here! Alright, I must be only be able to hurt them when they're in building form. Alright. Trying to look for any building that's out of place or not on the... Oh, there we go. Alright, what's incoming? I'm sorry, people. Trying to save the world here. I wish I could catch up to him and destroy him when he's in the air, but... Alright, you want to fly fast? We can do that. Let's go. I thought he was going to keep going. This one of the beam things? That's what it looks like. Yep. Because I gotta be on the certain side of it. Come on, open up for me. Oh, that's fast. Oh, that's fast. That's cheating. I can't do nothing. Oh, this sucks. Oh, this sucks. Where's the... There we go. That's what I'm looking for. There we go. Yeah, fuck you. I'll use my beam if I have to. That seems like it might help. We gotta get it when it's charging up. Ah! It spins too fast. Oh, we gotta get him too. Yeah, that's what... There we go. Yeah, forget you! Uh-oh. Alright, you're the real one. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's not gonna get me if I can see when you morph it. If I have a wide angle. There we go. Oh, I thought that was another fake building right there. Alright, is he gonna come back out? No. You look fake. Yes, you are. I thought this was a fake one. I was like, if this thing starts moving. Alright, let me get a wide view. Which one you gonna be? Yep, here we go. Sorry. Trying super hard not to destroy anything. Alright, what they got over here? Whoa. Get up a little bit. Please not the ones that stick to the side of buildings. Please don't let it be them. Yup, it's them. I can hear them. Damn it. Oh, please let it only be 2 of these. I can't fight these things. Alright, yes. More buildings. More buildings I can do. Alright. Oh, no, not these things, no. Oh, no, oh, damn it. Man, I hate those things. I can't really do nothing when they stick to buildings because I can't see them. And I gotta rely on just my ears. Oh, this thing again. One, I gotta get him in the right spot. There we go. Problem solved. Now I should have enough meter in order to stop the city one. Okay. I got him to go over here. I thought that was one on the side of the building, but yeah, they're around here somewhere because I can hear them. Oh, they right there. Damn. They done got me too. What the hell? Is he underground? Alright. Alright. I'm guessing this is gonna be the discs. I can hear them, but they're so hard to see. Alright, where's the other one? Alright, he has to be somewhere over here. Because he destroyed the building. Where's he at? Where's he at? Got you. There you go, there you go. No, it must be this one. Okay. What's next up on the plate? More buildings? More buildings I can do. Buildings are super easy. Yep, there we go. I'll take that win. Oh, which one you gonna be? There you go. Yep, took you down and didn't even destroy any other buildings. Alright, what's next? What is next? Yep. Oh crap, that wasn't one of them? There you go. Where'd it go? Oh, running low on meter. Oh, I hate these things. Oh. What are you? What are you? Why are they letting me fly all the way up to meet you? No, 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 no. Damn it. I thought this was some kind of nuclear missile type thing. Oh, good. It didn't hit the building. Alright, how many more of those we gotta deal with? Alright, okay, okay. Alright, alright. Ah! Ah, stop moving. Please stop moving. Where's your weak spot? Yep. Yeah. What nothing I can do about that one. Wasn't nothing I could do. Alright. Yep, they're gonna be a problem if I don't stop them. Gotta beat these guys as quickly as I can. Where'd it go? That's when you gotta hit those. Either on the top or on the side. Alright. Good thing they stay roughly in the same row. Alright, where's the other one? Where's the other one? No! Ah, fuck. Damn it. Okay, so he didn't cause the mass destruction. Okay, so I can still blow him up. Where's his weak spot, though? Oh, on the top. Cool. Woo! Oh, man, that was hard work. That was hard work, YouTube. Screw you, aliens. Alright, I'm hoping they give me a new power. Yep, looks like that might be the case. You can stop falling now. I mean, I can catch you if you want, but... Gimme, gimme, gimme. $374? Not that bad. Not that bad at all. Eh. For you. Eh. I'll take a break in a little bit.
My offspring, come with me.
See what kind of new abilities we get first. Alright. Let's go talk to dear old dad. See what he has in store for us. Let's go underwater, see what's under here. Nothing. Wait, is there flowers underwater? Wow, okay, so travel just stops if I just always go down. Wow, so they didn't even render like an underwater seabed. They were just like, hey, look, let's just use the same ground textures for underwater. That's cheap. It was probably figuring nobody's gonna like crash into the ground and look at it. See, like this is what should be under here, like clams, dirt, fish, you know, all the stuff that's in the sea. Like it shouldn't be just flowers. Like no, Should be like coral and other stuff like that. See, look, here's flowers again. Shouldn't be like that. Alright, let me go over here where we need to be. I'm trying to stay right where the water is. But it is so hard to do because I gotta do it by not tilting my head in a certain direction. Let me see. Let's go up into orbit. Might be able to make this quicker. There we go. Ooh, what is this? Stonehenge? So we flew all the way to England? Isn't that where Stonehenge is? Alright, what do we get? Ooh, telekinesis. Okay. Throw objects by aiming and pressing them. Okay.
Practice your new ability.
Okay.
Try to return my symbols to me.
I don't see how this is gonna help me fight the aliens, though.
All intruders are coming to Earth, my offspring.
Because if I can pick up buildings and throw at them, it's kind of like, I don't want to do that. Alright, let me see what we got to deal with first with Mission 5. Knock one more out before we end the video for today. Oh, you look new. How was that? I see it letting off green things, but I'm doing more destruction than he is. There we go. Oh, here we go, another one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stay close to it. That's the only way to probably really get to it. Otherwise, I'm gonna be shooting buildings and stuff trying to hit it. How many blasts is it gonna take? So you just gonna go in a circle? That's how you feel? Is your weakness on the bottom? No. It's like the red part is on the inside, but how am I supposed to? What the hell is that? Oh, okay. Maybe those are bombs and I'm supposed to throw them back at him. Maybe that's how I'm supposed to do it. Oh, I'm sorry, people. I thought I had to shoot him. I'm sorry. That's probably what it is. That's the only reason. That's probably why they flashing green, too. The hell? Alright. I can't tell if that actually hurt him or not. Alright, I hope they don't give me a lot of these. Oh, okay, so I don't have to aim it. I thought I had to aim at the ship and then throw it, but it's just like whenever I have the beam just on the ship, I can just hit the right trigger and have it automatically go over there. See? Yeah, that makes that a whole lot easier. That's incredibly easy. Ooh, that's a big-ass mothership. Alright, let's go. The chase is on. I hope they give me more of those telekinesis ships. What is that? Is that the health bar for the ship? Alright, where's your, let's find your weak spots. Oh, there they go. Wait, where's my beam thing? There we go. My beam thing's the strongest thing I got. That's right, fuck you. Why do I got... Oh! Oh, damn. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be difficult. I have no idea how to... I guess I... Oh. Alright, let me try to at least do it as quick as I can. That's done. Destroy these things as quick as possible. At least I can shoot them anywhere to blow them up. Alright, so now we got the little ones to deal with. What are these? I don't know, but I'm gonna shoot them. Alright, come on. Drop off a telekinesis thing, thank you. Alright, I messed that up. It's my fault, What the hell is that over there? Yeah, he's gonna go around destroying tons of buildings. This guy's just gonna go around in a circle. There we go. Alright. Is that it? Nope, one more. Something's incoming. What we got? Oh, let me not do that because it might hit a building. Alright, yeah, let me just wait until he drops down a green telekinesis thing. Where'd it go? Ah, I think I waited too long. Oh, shit. Damn. Oh. When did the aliens get nukes? Maybe there was something else I wasn't seeing. Maybe he was a special ship. Maybe that's why he came in by himself. Whoa. How am I supposed to stop that from happening? I guess it's a way to do it, because I just don't understand it. Am I not supposed to blow him up? Maybe it's both of the bombs blowing up in the same area? Yup, that's what it is, okay. Maybe I gotta throw them both up in the sky. Because he drops down too. Maybe I gotta use one of them to blow him up and then throw the other one in the sky. Ah! Alright, he gotta put down 2 more, I'm guessing. Yeah, let me just toss that away because I don't know if that's going to be a nuke one or not. Come on, that was like... Oh, well, some of it hit the ground over there. Yeah. I don't know which ones are nukes or not, so... If that's the case, maybe I can take it up in the orbit and let it blow up. Instead of trying to throw it up there and let it blow up, if I can take it above the city, then it shouldn't blow up and kill anybody. Nope, it can't follow me. Alright, that's gonna be a problem. Damn it. Ain't nothing you can do about that too. But I have to use them to blow up the ship, so I don't see how I'm supposed to... Am I supposed to throw up one and then whatever the one that I don't throw up is the regular one? Yep. Okay, I see what it is. I see what it is. The first one that I picked up, the arrow was just, anywhere where I can aim it. But the second one, I couldn't aim up in the sky to even use it. So let me toss you up there. You're probably a nuke. I'm trying to keep my eye on it. Yep, that's what I figured. So now the second one that you drop should be a regular one. They're both green spheres to me, so I don't know if they look any different. But at least we're... Oh, that's some bullshit. That's some bullshit right there. Oh, damn. Well, at least I got the second ship too, but... Alright. Alright, I see what I'm supposed to do. I see. Maybe this is like an endurance round? Maybe I'm just supposed to toss all of them up into space and not even try to destroy the ships. Maybe that's what my goal is. Because if that's the case... Okay, that's a regular one. You are not. Toss you away. Yep, okay, so any ones that I can pick up and aim up, I can just toss them up in the sky. Those are nukes. But the other ones I can't even aim, so... If I don't have any I can aim up, then they're not nukes, so... Yep, that's how we gotta do it. Got aliens throwing, like, nukes or whatever that is. Neutron bombs or whatever. Because they don't blow up like nukes, but... maybe there's some other form of mass destruction. Yep, got it that quick. Cool. I thought I had to still toss those up in the sky, but luckily we didn't have to. Alright, what did we get? Probably gonna get a new power, so let's see what we get after this, after we absorb this here. They should make me grab these or something, like, and slam them into my chest. They shouldn't just automatically just float into me like that. Alright, we're getting more Xenospheres, though. Alright, I'm assuming Dad's gonna have something to say. I know, I'm about to take a break, game. Come on, chill.
My offspring,
Alright, yes sir. See what we get. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's go to B. See what we're gonna get at Bravo.
My offspring, take your next power.
Alright, what do we get? Telekinesis was pretty useful, but it's only for certain missions. Levitation allows you to levitate objects and people. This prevents damage from... I can't read that last word. Something, whatever that word is.
Prevent my symbols from touching the ground.
I changed my format of what I see on my screen, so that way I can get a better recording of it. And I didn't see what the buttons were. What were the buttons to use it? Okay. Oh no. There's some... Oh, okay, I get you. I don't get it. I was clicking them. Oh, okay, so it levitates everything in the mass area. Alright, so now they won't hit the ground. Okay, so that makes it anywhere I'm looking.
More intruders are coming to Earth, my offspring.
Alright. I should have like a list of powers going down the side of my screen, because I keep forgetting. Like the only one I remember is like this here. That's the only one I remember. But alright, let's see if we can take these guys out in the next video. And hopefully you guys enjoy some more of this here, because I'm probably going to try to play this out in between regular videos as well and upload them. So, in between the LPs and stuff like that too. So, my name is Denonu, and I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Peace out.